The last point in this lesson, how I find the point of intersection between the two diagonals. And this is very simple. Why? Because I said that the point of intersection of the two diagonals is midpoint of each diagonal. How we know this? Because we said that diagonals bisecting each other. Bisect means cut in the middle. This means the two diagonals intersect each other in the middle. This means the point of intersection is the midpoint of the first diagonal or of the second diagonal, the same. Then how I find the point of intersection? Only I use the rule of midpoint for one of the two diagonals. You have two diagonals, choose any one of them and use the rule of midpoint. Look at this example. What are the coordinates of the intersection of the diagonals of parallelogram in NPR with vertices M -3 0, N -1 3, P 5 4 and R 3 1. Of course, how I know the diagonals? Diagonals always you skip one letter. This means MP is first diagonal, NR is the second diagonal. To find the point of intersection, only find the midpoint of MP or the midpoint of NR. And of course you will get the same coordinate. The rule of midpoint is what? You add the x's divide by 2, then you add the y's divided by 2. He used the rule here and he get 1 2. As I said, use the rule for MP or NR, you will get the same. The coordinate of the point of intersection of the two diagonals is 1 2. This example, he graph the points and he draw the parallelogram and he draw the diagonals and they intersect in this point which has the coordinate 1 on the x and 2 on the y. This example the same. You have two diagonals LN and MO. To find the point of intersection, find the midpoint of LN or the midpoint of MO. You will get half 1. Like this our lesson finish. I want you to memorize the properties of the parallelogram because they are the main thing in our lesson.